In recent times, it has been observed that various news channels and digital platforms are sharing the details including particulars of the child victims and pictures and videos widely. Therefore, Manipur Police has taken cognizance of the unabated circulation and sharing of details of child victims including particulars, images and videos related to tragic events on various news channels as well as social media platforms. Such acts are prohibited and tantamount to commission of offences that are punishable under Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 and the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023. Therefore, the public is appealed to refrain from further circulation and sharing of the images and videography and to delete the same from social media and digital platforms. Also, the news channels, the media partners are requested to show some sensitivity in the cases related to child victims. Legal action will be initiated against anyone who fails to comply with this notification. Thank you.
aduga mari leina victim oikraba amang singi photo video camera social media da lepa leitana upload torpa thagalakpa si lona yadaba thabak thogni masi Manipur police na yamna puna yingshini asigumba photo video social media da thadokpa si Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act also 2012 Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015 amasung Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 gi matung inna dandi phangani maram aduna asigumba photo video sing social media da thagappasi makha tana tawbidanaba amasung hana thagakkhiba sing adu kakthapinaba mayamda appeal tawjari aduga makha tana tawrabadi lu matung inna thagakkiba music adugi mathakta action pakhatkani